Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hussein Ahmed Alzein from grade 7B from 6th International School. I'm gonna show you my calculator that I programmed on the small basic program. First thing, we will open the small basic. Then, because I saved it from before, open. And this is my calculator. And you can see here the source code. And run or F5 to start the calculator. Yes. And you can see here, welcome to Hussein calculator. Please enter your first number here. My first number will be 100. And enter your second number. The second number is 80. And I want to add them. I will enter plus sign, and the answer will be 180. If I want to continue and do another operation, Y. If I don't want to continue, N. And I want to continue, Y. Enter your first number here, 98. My second number will be 53. And I want to subtract minus sign. 45 will be the answer. Yes. Oh, please enter your first number here. The first number 98. Second number 4. I want to divide sign, and the answer will be 24.5. Yes. Continue. And now I will enter my first number here, 78. Second number 5. I will multiply. The answer will be 390. Now we finish everything in no. And that's all. Thank you. I hope you like my calculator.